What are you doing?
Sorry, I just got a weird feeling. Are you okay? What was it? I don't know. I just felt like somewhere far, far away, 1,000 souls died. Like a planet with millions of people living on it just went out. Do you think anybody lives up there?
Don't be daft. Space is empty.
I think a starman lives up there with orange hair and different coloured eyes. I think people live up there.
I think there are spiders in space that rape your face.
You're weird, John.
I'd still be able to kick their ass. No spider creature could rape my face. Did you see that? Let's see what it was.
I don't want to go, Will.
Don't be afraid, baby. Are you guys coming?
I'm freaking out, John.
I think we're going to stay here. There's no point chasing fallen stars.
Baby, it's probably an alien life form, and I'm going to be the one who finds it.
I'm scared, though.
Don't be afraid. You were the hardest man in Aberystwyth.
Hey, buddy. What you got for us?
Well, it's quite simple, sir, if you'll gather around. I'll explain. In 1959, 9 meteors came towards the planet Earth. 8 of the meteors have disintegrated on entry, but the larger meteor has crash-landed in Wales, sir.
Wales? Where the hell is that, Texas?
If you give me a minute, I'll explain.
God damn it, there's no time to explain. This is a matter of national security.
National security.
We don't know if this meteor is worth money. We don't want these,
Well, Wales, sir, yeah, well.
Yeah, those Welshies, getting their hands on it before us.
We don't know anything about this meteor yet, sir. It may just be a rock.
God damn it, we can't take that chance. If there's money to be made, or a weapon to be made out of it, it's my God-given right as an American to exploit the situation for our own good.
Damn straight, sir.
Luigi?
Lugosi, sir.
Yeah, whatever. I want you to go to this,
Wales, sir.
I want you to go to this, where is this place?
It's in Europe, sir. It's one of the British Isles.
Europe? God damn it, we need a bigger map.
Bigger map, I'm on it, sir.
What about the people and the politics?
They're quite primitive, peaceful people there, sir.
Peaceful? Primitive? We need a dictionary, too.
We got a dictionary on call. It's on the way, sir.
Is Agent Louisa gonna be okay in those high heels?
Lugosi, sir, and I'm a male.
Our little secret.
He should be fine.
Luigi, if you get yourself into trouble, just shoot your way out. If their government complains, just say they were communists.
On it, sir.
No problems.
No problems. Right. So tell me everything you know about this Welshie place.
I'm scared, Will.
Don't worry. I'll protect you.
What do you think it is, Will? Oh, you dragged me out here, now you're the scaredy cat. Touch it.
You touch it.
Let's touch it together.
Check that, ground control.
What do you want to do next, sir?
I don't want any of that stuff. I gotta bring this plane in.
Why?
Why? Because a place called Wales now has a meteor that's leaking aliens, and I gotta go plug that leak.
バカじゃない。
僕はアメリカからやってきた刑事ルゴスだよ。宇宙人がいるよ。ご覧になってください。ほら、世界僕が守らなければ誰が守るんだ And now, Mr. Alien, I'm coming for you.
How long do you think they've been gone?
Don't worry about them. They're probably just making out.
What was that?
Are you going to answer that? How do you do? Are you in charge here? Well, I have 2 years.
Oh, I'm in charge here.
Okay. My name's Officer Lugosi. I'm an American cop. What you've got here in your town is an alien situation. There's a meteor that's landed.
Hang on, did you say meteor?
That's what I said, Sweet Pea.
I ain't heard about any meteor reports or little green men ringing around my station.
You haven't heard about it yet, but you need to do an investigation. We need to get on the phone, you need to get your deputy, you need to get up. That door could be something to do with it right now.
Get that, will you?
Oh, sorry, Chief. Aliens are invading.
See there? What do you mean, son?
We're up on Makeout Hill.
I've heard enough. These young folk, they go up there and they smoke all kinds of drugs.
He's saying the aliens have landed. Tell us more about it. You gotta listen to him.
I ain't listening to no teen dope addicts. All you people, get out of my station.
Listen, buddy, if you don't listen to this guy and understand that there's aliens here, your whole town could be in danger. Serious danger.
Now you listen to me. The Romans couldn't conquer Wales. Now some little green arsehole with a bad attitude ain't gonna either. Now get out. Just like the hippies. Can't handle their drugs.
Do you think they were really high, Chief?
Well, I hope so. If they weren't, we better get ourselves ready.
Those police don't know what they're talking about. So where are those things?
What, they're up on the hill?
Well, come on, we gotta do it ourselves. Let's go get them before they spread.
Alright, mate.
Aye, best.
EP.
Okay.
Man of Harley, are we dreaming? Can we see the space
So, where are they?
Well, they were right here.
Well, we know where the meteor landed.
Okay.
Benji! 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 Benji!
Another green man, Chief. In your auntie's back garden.
I know. Reports are coming from every part of town. You know what we need to do, son?
Hold on, missus.
We need to get suited up, get ready, grab your gun. We are going on a bug hunt.
Let's go, Chief. The swamp's meant to look like this.
No, John, they ain't. What probably happened is meteor lands and it mutates the life forms.
You mean those creatures were Will and Bobby Joe?
More than likely, Mary Jane.
Well, how are we going to stop them and destroy the meteor?
Same way you stop any monster, John. You sever its head from its body, or you stab it in the heart.
What about the meteor?
I'm taking it back to my offices for further research. Don't worry, I handled worse than this in the Corps.
You saved us.
Just doing our job, Missy.
I guess you kids weren't high after all. Now run home and find a safe place to hide. Go on.
Chief. I think he's dead. Well, I guess America isn't going to save the day this time. I feel like something. Fuck you.
What do we do, Chief? Keep shooting until he stops moving. It's not one king, Chief! Run! Save the town! I'll hold him off! Die, you son of a bitch! You trying to die, son?
Are we in trouble?
You could say that. Who are you, anyway? You're not from around these parts.
My name's Woods. I'm with US Military Science Division.
The last American I knew tried to kill me.
Agent Lugosi. He's been compromised, I assume.
What have you dirty Americans been up to now, eh? Using Wales as a testing ground for super soldiers?
Sadly, no. A meteor's landed at this village, and I'm pretty sure it's already started to infect people.
What do you mean infected?
We're close to the crash site.
What do you mean infected?
23 hours ago that thing landed here, and it's already started to infect people. Now, if you don't take me to that crash site immediately, you can kiss goodbye to Wales.
You know how to use a gun? You going to tell me what's going on, boy? Or are we just going to keep on playing I Spy?
I don't think you want to know the gravitas of the situation.
I was at Sword Beach in Normandy. I'm sure I can handle a few little green men.
This is just the beginning. We need to stop this before it results in a war.
A war?
Both World War I and World War II were a direct result of a meteor landing on Earth and creating these bloodthirsty creatures.
But these creatures didn't look like humans. I mean, I served in World War II, and there was no creature from the Black Lagoon shooting no ray guns at me.
The humanoid is only the first part of the process. Once they transform, they'll kill. But after enough death, they'll enter a cocoon state for an hour and emerge as an exact replica of their former selves.
What? That's bullshit. All I know is those little green assholes who killed my deputy are going down.
What are you doing?
We're nearly there. We should get out and just walk the rest of the way. Don't shoot yourself in the face.
What about the rifles?
These things move too quick. By the time you've got the rifle up, they'll be eating your face. Now let's go. This is it. That's your guy right there.
That bush-like thing?
Yeah, that's him, but what's he doing?
He's taking the people he's killed and replicating them.
So you mean he's bringing them back to life?
They're not the same people. These are humanoid alien creatures. What are you doing, you fool?
Oh, he's alive!
That might not be him.
It's worth a shot.
I think we're far enough. Those bullets did nothing.
Yeah, they did nothing to him earlier either.
You knew the bullets would do nothing to him, and yet you still ran headfirst into that situation.
I thought my aiming was off last time.
Did you shoot him before he transformed?
I don't think so.
What could it be? Why is this humanoid creation immune to bullet fire? The Nazis tried to make their soldiers invincible, but they failed.
How far back does this go? Tell me everything you know.
Everything? This is information that you would regret to find out.
Let me be the judge of that.
Humans and aliens have always been at war. Since the invention of the first plane. Leonardo da Vinci knew that. That's why one of his original paintings was a human reaching out and touching an alien race. They tried in the First World War, they tried again in the Second. Basically, any conflict, any corrupt politician is one of these alien humanoid replicas. Hitler was a humanoid, and every greedy, money-hungry human that you ever meet is with no doubt an alien replica spy.
Why haven't you told anybody about this?
Because people hate each other because of their skin color, because of their creed. Giving people another reason to hate each other and kill each other is never a good idea.
So you cover it up, fight the battle secretly.
Exactly. Atlantis existed, you know? But the humans flooded it, because it was overrun with humanoids.
How are we going to kill them?
They die like normal humans, but when you shot at Lugosi whilst he was transforming, he must have been assimilated with the bullets.
What's wrong? Are you okay? Doctor? Doctor!
I'm okay.
What's wrong with you?
I'm turning into one of them.
But you're not convulsing like the others.
They were affected by the meteor. I was only infected by a carrier.
How are we going to stop them?
We need to blow the meteor. And we need to kill Lugosi.
I've got some TNT in the back of my car. Will that destroy the meteor?
That should be fine.
But what about Lugosi?
I'll take care of Lugosi.
Wood! Dr. Wood! Hey, Doctor!
Chief here. Who's this?
Wood! Dr. Wood! Hey, Doctor!
This is Wood.
Have you found my rock yet?
Yes, sir.
Goody gumdrops! Now your mission was to bring it back to me within 24 hours. Is that still feasible?
Collecting rock has become impossible, sir. The only possible action now is to destroy it.
Hey, now listen here, buddy. You better deliver me that rock, or we'll nuke the whole goddamn place from space.
That would mean the death of millions.
Casualties, specialties.
Sir, would that be seen as a declaration of war?
Listen, my advice to you is to run and hide as quick as you can, because I'm sending over the fireworks.
Sir. Sir.
Great. Now what?
I'm going to become one of them. It's the only way to stop Lugosi.
You go and take care of Lugosi, and I'll take care of the rest of them.
I think it's time to fight.
How come you have control of this when everyone else doesn't?
I will also lose control. Shoot me in the face when I do.
Right in the face. You stop right there. Yes, friend. Now let's go save the world. We made one hell of a mess. Thanks, Wood. You've saved my country, and possibly the world.
Friend.